Thursday, October 29th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's begin with a look back at the numbers from yesterday across the region. A pretty mild late October day. Some 60s for highs in the mountains, but once you got out of the mountains into parts of Virginia, North Carolina, a lot of 70s on the board, even 82 yesterday in Columbia. Around the Triad viewing area, had some 70s for highs. And we did have some areas of showers, even a couple thunderstorms here or there as yesterday rolled along for us. Before we get into the upcoming weather forecast, couple of fall photos to share with you. This from Kimberly Mullis in Salisbury, North Carolina. Nice photo there of their child enjoying the pumpkins and whatnot here leading up to Halloween this weekend. And here's a neat photo. This is from Greensboro. A lot of folks caught this double rainbow, and it was pretty widespread in terms of its visibility. A lot of folks all the way down to the southern Piedmont, up through the Triad, saw that rainbow kind of in the wake of the departing shower activity late in the day yesterday. Thank you for sending that photo in. And as always, we want to see your weather-related or fall-related photos. You can email them in to us, ncweather@twcnews.com. 5 o'clock hour temperatures this morning down to 49 in Asheville, 55 in Boone. A lot of 60s once you get out away from the foothill areas, and still around 70 in Jacksonville and 72 in Cape Hatteras. A pretty gusty wind in Boone. That's a sustained wind of 25 miles per hour up there in the high country. Winds out of the west and southwest outside of the mountains relatively light this morning. All right, so still pretty mild across the region. Here comes some cooler air, though, off to the northwest. That cooler air really, begins to take hold tomorrow across the region, and Friday and Halloween will be relatively cool but dry before some rain chances move in thereafter. Now, yesterday's cold front is offshore. There's all the showers and storms associated with that. We have a secondary cold front rolling in from the west. That's causing a few showers in North Alabama, up into eastern parts of Tennessee and Kentucky, up here into parts of western Virginia, West Virginia, and Ohio. And as that secondary cold front slides through, some clouds and a brief shower possibility. But a lot of us, once you get east of the mountains, will not see any overly significant rain today. Pretty good rain event yesterday, though. The Triad, the Greensboro area, the PTI Airport, over an inch of rain recorded. That brings the yearly deficit now down to just under 3/4 of an inch. So I mentioned that secondary cold front moving through. There it comes today. For the Piedmont of North Carolina, that means some afternoon clouds, a brief shower chance too. And this is what it looks like on the high resolution modeling. Again, later in the day today, that's when you could see a few of those showers try to briefly zip through with that second cold front. Highs today, not bad. Now, cooler in the mountains, but once you get east of the mountains, the cool air kind of lags until tonight. Now, we will see some 40s for lows tonight, and we'll see a lot of sunshine tomorrow. Yeah, but it will be a cooler day. Sunshine for your Friday. Your Friday highs look like that. A lot of 60s across the Piedmont zones as you get on out into Saturday for Halloween. Some clouds increase later in the afternoon as our next storm system begins to approach. But Saturday will be dry. And there's your Saturday highs across the region. Should be fine for the trick-or-treaters Saturday evening, again, east of the mountains. Now, Sunday, that's when things begin to go downhill a bit. Looks like we're going to have to continue to mention the chance of some rain Sunday. This is the GFS, one of the American computer models, its depiction of things. This cold front moves in. Some showers, a possibility Sunday, and those showers could extend on into Monday as well. I think especially Sunday afternoon, the chance of some rain with us. And we'll just have to see how that plays out. A lot of folks with some outdoor activities this weekend, and we'll see. Hopefully we can get those in this weekend, but I do think some rain opportunities is on the way, certainly for Sunday. And again, in some spots, some modeling actually moves it in Sunday morning. Just kind of depends on which computer model you believe at the moment. Tropics are very quiet. Gulf, Caribbean, Western Atlantic, no sign of any trouble as we head toward the end of October. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.